Dear Switzerland lovers, Swissies, nature lovers, and lovers of peace and hope. I'm doing a little walk around my home village, Brienz, and I will show you how it looks and how it sounds like. Yeah, because some birds are already in spring mood. Look, we already have the first spring flower in Brienz. It is Erica. Hello, Erica. Rasta is enjoying some spring vibes. I don't know what he is watching for. Maybe he's just enjoying his wonderful home area. So, this is the bridge where the Brienz-Rothorn train goes up in summer to Brienz-Rothorn. In summer, in June, it will sound again like this. Yeah, familiar sound. Then you know the Brienz-Rothorn train is running again. You hear the birds? You know, this is totally calming. Yeah, if you are in a stress, just do a little walk around Brienz and you totally calm down immediately. Do you understand why I felt in love with this place? Shora? I think Rasta is in is in spring mood. No, hey, slowly, slowly. You are not two anymore. Yeah, no, you know this one, huh? Yeah. One of our, how you say, best of paths. This is the corner Rasta usually went crazy. Maar look. Ah, nee. Hey? Yeah, you look his face. I knew it. Hey, Rasta, it's okay. Easy. Nah, Rasta, no. Hey, easy. Shh. It's Rasta crazy corner. Ah, I see a dandelion. An early one. Yay. Some people ask me if I do some editing for the colors, for example for the lake, but no. Yeah, what you see is what you get. This is the color of Lake Brienz. This is my neighbor's garden, and as you can see, the trees are still naked. But in a few weeks I will do it again, and then everything is blooming here. We have some mini moose here. Hey mini moose. Han er med som mini viajo, huh? So, hi. Hey. Lekker, huh? No, it's nothing to eat. In spring, this field will be full of dandelions. Yeah, it's all yellow then. Gal Rasta, yeah. And then lunch is ready. Rasta loves to eat or, maybe to kill dandelions. Hey, but what's this? This is already one. An early bird. Rasta, dandelion, look da. Rasta, come on. Look da, dandelion. Da. You see? And gone. Dandelion gone. Or killed. So this is how our hometown look like in February. And I'm sure in March it will be more spring like here. Rasta.